Hey Blox Fruits fans, have you ever wondered how people become admins in Blox Fruits? Is it luck, skill, or something else? Stick around because in the next 2 minutes I will show you the best method to become an admin in Blox Fruits and what it really takes. What is an admin in Blox Fruits? First off, let's clear this up. Being an admin in Blox Fruits doesn't mean just having cool powers or spawning fruits. Admins are part of the actual development or moderation team behind the game. They have access to testing tools, help with updates, and make sure the game runs smoothly. So if you're looking for a way to exploit or cheat your way to admin, that is not going to happen, and it will likely get you banned. So keep that in mind. The best method to become an admin. So what is the best legit method to become an admin? Simply become valuable to the Blox Fruits development team. Here's how to do that in 3 steps. Step 1. Join the official Discord server. Start by joining the official Blox Fruits Discord. That is where announcements, tester applications, and community events happen. If they are looking for new moderators or testers, they will post it there first. Step 2. Become active and helpful. Don't just lurk. Be helpful. Answer questions, report bugs, create guides, show the mods you are mature, respectful, and a real fan of the game. Step 3. Apply when opportunities come up. From time to time, the developers look for community testers, Discord mods, and even builders or scripters for updates. When that happens, you need to be ready with proof of your work and reputation. If you stand out, they might promote you to tester and eventually admin. What you should and shouldn't do. Number 1, do not beg or spam. Begging admins to give you powers or spamming DMs is a huge red flag. You'll get ignored or worse, blacklisted. Do build skills. If you are serious, learn scripting, building, or user interface design in Roblox Studio. The developers are always looking for skilled people to help with future updates. Some admins started as community contributors, helping with translations, finding bugs, or making YouTube content that promoted the game positively. Mentioning YouTube, I forgot to tell you that becoming a content creator on YouTube or social media, specifically Roblox content creator, may also give you the advantage to become an admin. Final thoughts. So to recap, becoming an admin in Blox Fruits is about patience, skill, and community trust. Join the Discord, help the community, and stay alert for recruitment opportunities. No hacks, no shortcuts, just dedication. And who knows, the next admin might be you. And that's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below what role you would want if you become an admin. And see you in the next video.